Hello, and welcome to this advanced Wikispaces tutorial. To complete this tutorial, we're assuming that you're comfortable with some of the more basic features of Wikispaces, such as logging in, creating and editing pages, and uploading content. If you're comfortable with these, then hopefully this tutorial will help you make Wikispaces more useful. We'll begin by looking at our Sandbox Wiki, which is accessible on the Ivy Hill Staff Wiki. In this example, we're going to look at several different features that add to the flexibility in the use of Wikispaces. We'll begin by looking at the navigation on the sidebar. Navigation is important because it helps determine how we use our wiki and how other users and ourselves find things on the wiki. On the left-hand side, you'll see our navigation sidebar. Right now it has a list of all pages, and it also has a list for navigation options. And while these can be useful, you can see that I have 5 different pages. Some of them are projects, and some of them are subjects. This can tend to get confusing as we continue to add more pages and different page types. So today we'll look at how to edit the navigation. To edit navigation, make sure that you're logged into your wiki and click on Edit Navigation. It will pull up an edit window similar to any page edit window. And you'll see that it actually has a name, and this is our space menu. This is anything that's in the sidebar, and you can edit this page with widgets and text. You'll see that there's an Include Navigation widget already included on the page. The Include Navigation is the widget for all pages and navigation options. If you would like to remove this, simply click your cursor after the Include Navigation and click Delete, and you'll remove that widget. I can start by adding a new widget that will show me a list of pages only by tag. And you'll see how this can become a very valuable tool as we explore tags later on. So for this example, I've tagged these pages whether they're subjects or projects. So the first thing I'm going to do is type the word subjects. Click Return, and I'm going to click on the widget button. I'm going to click Add a List of Wiki Pages, and I'm going to first show any pages tagged subject. And you can see because I've already created a tag, the word appears. Then I'm going to click Embed Page List. But I also want to include a list of projects. I'm going to click Return twice and type the word projects. Click Return, and now I'm going to add another list of wiki pages. Only this time, I'm going to type in the word project. Click on it. The green check mark lets me know that this is a valid tag. And then because we don't want all of our projects showing up, I will limit it to 10. Then click Embed. You can format these how you like. For example, I'm going to make these subjects and projects bold. And when I click Save, you'll see on the left-hand side of my wiki, I have subjects and projects. It's separated all of my pages based on tags. Let's look at how we did this. For example, I'm going to create a new page, once for a subject, and then once for a project. So I'm going to click on New Page, and this time I'm going to type in Reading. I'm going to add a tag called Subject. You can see I've already created one, and it says I have 3 items attached to the word or tag Subject. Then click Create. This is my page for reading. Click Save. And now on the left-hand side, reading appears. If I wanted to create a project, I could create a roller coaster project, tag it project, click Create. This is my roller coaster project. And when I click save, the project automatically appears in the left-hand side of my wiki. Now it's your turn. Either using a wiki that you've created or creating a new wiki for today, go ahead and practice creating pages, tagging them, and creating the navigation pane on the left-hand side. Remember, we're using widgets, a list of wikis, to help us do this. Take some time to practice before moving on to the next video.